What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I am so stinking excited. Oh my goodness. Today is a very special video because I get to finally let you guys in on a project that I have been working on for a really long time now, and also bring you guys a video that so many of you guys have been asking for. I've mentioned in a lot of my previous videos that I have been wearing press-on nails and I get them to last in my nails for a really long time. And so many of you are like, you need to make a video on how you do that. So y'all are gonna get that today, how exactly I apply my press-on nails, how I get them to last, and all the tea on that. And I also get to finally share with you guys that I have been working on a collection of press-on nails that y'all are gonna be able to get. I am so stinking excited. This has been such a dream come true. If you know me, you know my nails have always been my thing. You can go back to my videos from like 10 years ago and I have like nails done all the time, honestly, for as long as I can remember, like middle school. I always have my nails done. I love my nails. I love to do classic styles. I love to do crazy funky styles, cool things. I've just always loved having pretty nails. And a couple years ago when quarantine hit, so I guess it would have been exactly like 3 years ago now, obviously all the nail salons shut down, but I was not about to be without my nails. So I taught myself how to do my nails at home, and I taught myself how to do gel, acrylic, all the different things, and honestly I really enjoyed it, so I stopped going back to the nail salon even when they reopened because I really enjoyed doing my nails myself. But within the past 6 months or so, I've really fallen in love with press-on nails and really been able to perfect them so that they last as long as my acrylics and gels did, and they take like way less time to apply. I apply a full set of nails in literally like 5 minutes. It's so short and easy, and they last really great, and it takes a lot less time than it was taking me to do like my gel and acrylic, because that was taking me about an hour and a half on average to like do my nails. So I have absolutely fallen in love with press-ons and got the opportunity to create my own sets of press-ons that y'all are gonna be able to get. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So I collaborated with a company called Paint Bucket. They are a female-owned small company in New York City. They actually have a nail salon. If you guys are local, you live in New York, they have a nail salon in Brooklyn called Paint Bucket, so you can actually go there and get your nails done. And I do think they will have the press-ons available at the store. I'm not 1000% sure of that, but they're obviously gonna be available on their website, which will be the easiest way for you guys to get them, which will be linked down below. But I came out with 4 different styles for the collection. It is called the Get Your Glam On collection, because y'all know I love to be glam, so I figured what a better name than that. And we have 4 different styles across different shapes and lengths for you guys to choose from. So without further ado, I'm gonna get into sharing with you guys each of the styles. We can go through them so I can show you guys everything, and then I will get into the actual application of the nails as well, so I can show you guys exactly step by step how I apply them and how I get them to last. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you can be notified of all my future uploads. And without further ado, let's get into talking about these styles. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the first style that I have on right now, and I have to say this one is my personal favorite. This is the Glam Getter style. This is a coffin shape with a pink French and pearl detailing on every single nail. I hate when there's like press-on nails and only some of the nails have pearls. I want all of my nails to have pearls, so y'all are gonna get pearls on every single nail here. They're so pretty, but they're still very dainty, and they just look beautiful on the nails. It's what I have on my nails right now. And you guys will see on the box, it does say last 7 to 14 days. So that is the typical like standard, I guess, of how long press-on nails are supposed to last. But like I said, how I apply mine, I can get mine to last for up to 3 weeks, which I really like. In every single set, you're gonna get 24 nails. So that should give you at least 2 full sets of nails, and you're gonna get everything that you need to apply them. Like I said, later on in the video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I apply them, but you're gonna get the glue you need to apply, and then you're also gonna get this pack that has all of the essentials to actually applying them on your nails. A prep pad, a cuticle pusher, a little buffer, and you're also gonna get adhesive stickers, because if you're the type of person who don't wanna wear your nails for a long time, you just wanna wear them for like a night or maybe a few days, the adhesive stickers will be better than the glue, which will be more permanent. You definitely wanna use the glue if you want them to last for weeks, but if you just want them to last for a few days, the adhesive stickers would be a better bet. So we are giving you both options. These will all come with the nails, so it's everything that you'll need. So each set will retail for $15. Like I said, it will be available on Paint Bucket's website, which I will have linked right down below for you guys where you can shop them and check out their website. But each set will be $15, and we do have a bundle option where if you buy all 4 sets, then you can get all 4 sets for $45, which basically gets you 1 set for free. Okay, the next set we have is the Kelly. This one is so beautiful and so classic. I wanted to have something that could go with everything, that would just be really universally flattering. So this is the Kelly, and basically what it is it's kind of a hybrid in between a stiletto and a almond shaped nail. It's like a tapered almond. I really love the shape of this one, and it is your classic French, but then it has silver foil detailing. Y'all know I had to add a little sparkle or pizzazz to them, so We did the silver foil, which I think looks so pretty. This would be beautiful for literally any occasion, but is also still really nice for every single day. So I love this one, definitely a classic. Up next, we have the Jersey Girl Swirl. So Paint Bucket, their like signature is doing crazy, like really cool swirls on nails and really cool nail art. They do the most beautiful swirls. If you guys don't follow them on Instagram, they have so many like amazing nail inspo videos and beautiful designs. So we wanted to incorporate one that had swirls. So we did a pink and white swirl. So it was still relatively neutral, but had the really cool different designs for people that like a little bit more pretty swirl sort of feel on their nails. This one is also in that tapered almond nail shape and looks so beautiful on. And then last but certainly not least, we have the Love Trip. I loved the Jersey Girl swirl with the classic swirls, but then we wanted to incorporate one that had like a heart or some sort of additional detailing. So on Love Trip, you get light pink and bright pink swirls with white and also with a heart. And this is in the coffin shape, similar to the pearl one. So a more squared off tapered nail. So really, really love this one too. They're all beautiful. So like I said, I will link Paint Bucket down below to their site where you guys can check them out if you want to, but I absolutely love them. I have been wearing them for months and it has been so fun to work on this collection. So I hope that you guys love it. But without further ado, let's get into the actual application of the nail so I can show you guys all how simple and easy it is. So let's go to that. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Kelly today and apply this set, just a really pretty French that has like silver detailing on it. Everything you need is inside of the box. You won't have to get anything else. So inside, you'll obviously get all your nails. You'll get a cuticle pusher, a prep pad. This is really important to how long your nails last. A little buffer for your nails, the nail glue, of course, and then also these are little nail stickers. So if you don't want your nails to last for like weeks and you just want to wear them for a night or a few days, you can use these stickers and they'll be less permanent than the glue will be. And so you'll get 2 packs of these adhesive stickers if that's the route that you want to go. But I typically use the glue because I like mine to last for a long time. So this is what I use for my prep. But before we get into prep, we want to pick our nail sizes because you want the prep to be the last thing you do before you go ahead and apply the nails. When picking what nail size to use, you basically just want something that's going to sit flush on your natural nail. So for me, this one is a good fit. And then I'll show you an example of like one that is too small. So you can see this one clearly not as a good fit. You can see on the sides it doesn't fit, it's too small. Or obviously something like this that's going on my natural skin would be too big. So you want to take time to go through each nail and get one that fits properly. It's not super difficult, but it will definitely help with the longevity of how long they wear. So once you've gone and picked out your nail sizing, I'm just moving mine, keeping them in order so I know which nail is for what. You can get into your prep. So first step, you can just use the cuticle pusher to push back your cuticles. And you do want to make sure you start with clean and dry nails. And the next thing that I do is I take the little buffer and I just gently go through and buff up my natural nail. You do not have to do this, but I do think it helps to increase the longevity of how long they last. So I do like to do it and I just gently go in and buff it up ever so slightly, just so they're not like shiny and they have a little bit of roughness. I think it helps make the nail adhere better, but you can skip this step if you don't feel comfortable doing that on your natural nail. Completely fine to skip this. This is just what I do personally that I think really helps them last quite a bit. So I'll buff up my natural nail, again, just a little bit, nothing crazy. One step you definitely don't want to skip though is the prep pad. Definitely use the prep pad. In times when I have skipped this step, I have definitely felt my nails come off much earlier. So do not skip this step. It's basically just a little moist towelette and go on each nail and clean them off. This will make sure there's no oils or anything present on them and they're ready for the glue to go on them. Okay, I'm so indecisive and I changed to the pearl nail. These ones are my personal favorite from the collection and I really just wanted to show you guys these ones on because they're stunning. I was gonna go with the French because it's more simple, but I was like, you know what? I really want to show the pearls. These are my personal favorite, but obviously the French ones are beautiful as well. These are just so me. So I'm gonna use these ones to apply, but obviously prep, everything is exactly the same. So we are ready to go in with the glue now and get them on. So I'm going in and thoroughly coating my nail with the glue. You don't need to do it too much. And I'm also gonna go in with a little glue in the center of the nail itself just for a little extra hold. Then I'm gonna wait about 15 seconds and just let the glue get tacky, similar to what we would do when we're applying false lashes. And then you wanna line the nail up at the cuticle and press down. Once you have it aligned how you want it, you wanna press down for about 20 seconds or so, just firmly on the nail, holding it down, and then you will be good to go. I love the pearl French so much, so pretty, but it'll be all good and on there. So you wanna just obviously continue doing the exact same thing on all your nails, following the same step. Glue on natural nail first, then glue on the inside of the artificial nail. Let it get tacky for about 15 seconds, and then press down on the natural nail and hold firmly for about 20 seconds. Okay, I got them all on. Here's how they look once they're all applied. I absolutely love this set. Like I said, it is my favorite. I just love the pearl detailing and they just look so pretty. All right, you guys, that is everything. I got all my nails on now, so now I'm feeling more like myself. When I have the little short short nails. I don't even know what to do with myself, but these are all available now. Like I said, I will link Paint Bucket down below in the description box if you guys want to check them out. $15 each, or you can get all 4 of them bundled for $45. So I will have direct links to everything in the description box. Thank you guys so much for your support and for watching today's video. I love you guys, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye.